Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Trump's 50% tariff on India kicks in as Modi urges self-reliance. SpaceX calls Starship launch success as mega rocket splashes down in Indian oceans as planned. Trump moves to fire federal governor. Let's look into details. Donald Trump's steep 50% tariffs on India have kicked in weeks after the US president issued an executive order hitting the Asian country with an additional 25% penalty over its purchases of Russian oil and weapons. This makes India one of the US strongest partners in the Indo-Pacific among the countries paying the highest tariffs in the world. This could deal a blow to exports and growth in the world's fifth largest economy, given that the US was until recently India's largest trading partner. The tariffs setback has sent the Indian government into firefighting mode. Earlier this month, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a promise to cut taxes to mitigate their economic impact. He has also rallied for domestic self-reliance. He said that a Diwali gift in the form of a massive tax bonanza was on its way for the common man and the millions of small businesses that power Asia's third largest economy. Wearing a bright saffron turban and addressing crowds of spectators from the ramparts of Delhi's Red Fort during Independence Day celebrations, Modi also urged small shop owners and businesses to put up boards of Swadeshi or Made in India outside their stores. SpaceX Starship mega rocket lifted off Tuesday on its 10th test flight, successfully deploying 8 dummy satellites into orbit for the first time. After coasting in space for a little over an hour, the spacecraft made a planned splashdown in the Indian Ocean. Its Super Heavy booster also carried out a controlled splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico, while the Starship itself ended in the Indian Ocean, a step forward after several past test failures had been cast doubt on Elon Musk's ambition of colonizing Mars. The 403-foot rocket, the most powerful ever built, launched from Starbase in southern Texas at 6:30 p.m. local time, according to a live webcast. Starship is central to Musk's vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species, while NASA plans to use a modified version to launch astronauts on the moon. Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook will file a lawsuit to prevent President Donald Trump from firing her alive, for the embattled central bank official said on Tuesday, kicking off what could be a protracted legal fight over the White House effort to shape U.S. monetary policy. His attempt to fire her, based solely on a referral letter, lacks any factual or legal basis. We'll be filing a lawsuit challenging this illegal action, Cook's lawyer, prominent Washington attorney Abel Loyal, said in a statement. The statement was issued a day after Trump said he would fire Cook, the first black woman to serve on the Fed's governing body, for alleged deceitful and potential criminal conduct related to mortgages she took out in 2022. Cook has said Trump doesn't have the authority to fire her and has vowed to stay on the job. We need people that are 100% above board, and it doesn't seem like she was, Trump told reporters at a cabinet meeting. He said he had several good people in mind to replace Cook. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTVNN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.